We are about to make the world's smallest retainer. For size reference, there's a quarter. For another reference, this is a normal sized patient, average size, and this patient is a little small. Here's an average labial bow, and here's this patient's labial bow. Let's get into this. Okay, this is for a very special patient, and they requested to be like a pastel pink with a little splash of glitter. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, this isn't gonna take very long because there's really not too much to do. Okay, we are out of the pressure pot, and this little guy is going to be finished. So, like I said, here's a normal size retainer. Here's this little kid's retainer, little tiny mouth. So let's finish this little guy. Okay, we're going to do a little pumice and polish and finish this up. And there you have it. This world's smallest retainer. We'll be ready to put this in the patient's mouth and ready to go. Okay, the truth is, this is I just made a little keychain for my daughter. I thought it would be fun to have a little retainer in her keychain. It's not a real patient. See you later. See you in the next one.